I just ordered 2 real freaking miners, 2 of them, okay? Check this out, they spending only 100 watts. That means 0 electricity. It costs around 900 bucks and it's going to make you around 20 bucks per day. That is mind-blowing, all right? That's the best stuff. I just paid for 2. What's mean I'm going to earn around 40 bucks per day. What's mean if everything is fine, even on this today crazy market, we talk about we can earn around 20 bucks per day. Physical real miner, what's mean we can ROI in only 45 days, but I will give more time, let's say even 60 days we can ROI. Do you know what's that mean? That's mean free money for the rest of the year and after that. All right, so check this out. I did order, where is the miner? I did order this bad boy. I'm going to mine ALEPHIUM. ALEPHIUM is a freaking next cusp. I'm going to make a full update video for this one. I did order this miner, right? So don't go to this website, I'm going to tell you where to go. So Ice River Alpha AL0. This is not out yet, it's a pre-order. You can only pre-order and I have the connection how to do that with the biggest discount. Stay tuned to the end. Now I'm going to earn ALEPHIUM. ALEPHIUM, I'm extremely hype about this one. I was buying, but I say, why to buy when I can mine? Simple as that. 20 bucks per day, 900 bucks for the miner, 100 watts electricity. That is exactly money printer, okay? That's crazy, money freaking printer. All right, so check this out. A few days ago, actually 4 weeks ago, I did receive a miner. I met these guys and I did order, I think was this guy, JasMiner CQ16, and I have down there. All right, check this out. Let me show you. This is my face when I set up the miner. All right, I just set up last week. It's taken me a while because I'm new, so I'm completely new to this one, and I'm earning right now around 4 bucks per day. Let me show you. If I go right here, I'm in K1 pool, and I'm earning right now for this miner K16, I'm earning 4 bucks per day. It costs a little bit more expensive, around 2,000 something. However, I'm earning now Octa, Ethereum Classic, and Zilliqa. So you can earn Octa and Zilliqa or Ethereum Classic and Zilliqa around 4 bucks per day in today's price. So just imagine 4 bucks per day, and when the market is completely down. When the market go 2, 3, 4x in the next 1 year, is the same like you earning 12, 15, 20 bucks per day. That's why I'm not selling at all anything. But this is different video for that miner. Now, how to get this miner and what miner I'm talking again. I'm going to talk Ice River Alpha AL0. I'm going to mine ALEPHIUM. ALEPHIUM is the next Kaspa, as many people are saying, and I'm hype about this token. Now, next thing, I'm not financial advisor, which means do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, you can lose everything. Now, I'm trying to find different ways to make passive income. And I'm into digital notes. Watch the video, by the way, for Lumia notes and also Agent Layer, and one more note coming very soon. I'm also into yield farming very, very heavy. And I'm now trying to get more into real physical miners, all right? And I'm hyped to find ALEPHIUM, 900 bucks around with the shipping, the price. Make sure if you want to get the biggest discount, go to Jingle Mining. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Go there, go to contacts, okay, and chat with this lady. Only chat with Lillian. Don't chat with anybody else. Chat with the freaking amazing Lillian. I met them in Dubai in 2049 at the expo, okay, the token 2049, few months ago, and I'm going to meet them again next month in Singapore in about a month and a week when I'm doing this video. Lillian, this is her phone number, Telegram, email. Chat with her. Make sure you tell her CryptoPhil send you, and she can book you for the pre-order. Otherwise, you need to wait weeks and months to get this miner. Make sure you chat with her so you can be first on the line. This is my secret information, what I can give you online. It's secret, but only for the person who is watching this video. Chat with Lillian, chat with her, how long it's going to take, when can be shipped, and so on and so on. Because, and also tell her CryptoPhil send you, because you don't get the discount. All right, that's about it for me. I'm extremely pumped to mine ALEPHIUM. Let me see if I'm recording, by the way, even if I'm not talking to myself. So that's about it. ALEPHIUM can be next Kaspa. Just imagine this. If we're making around now 20 bucks per day, let's even 15 bucks per day. I think we are going to make around 10 tokens per day. All right, just do the math. 900 bucks, I will just do calculation for you. All right, so check this out. $900 cost. I think it's less than 900, by the way. It's less with the shipping, maybe less with the shipping. So if we divide, okay, and if we're making around $20 per day, okay, that's mean we take only, if we buy by 45 days, we make the money out. We ROI in only 45 days. But check this out. What about if the price of the token go 5 times more? And I think can achieve that. That's mean we're making $50 per day. $50 per day. That's mean how many days we need? 20 days, less than 20 days, 18 days to ROI. 18 freaking days to ROI. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. Now, I say if I ROI in 2 months, if I ROI in 100 days, I'm happy bunnies. All right, that's me. That's about it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I did a video giveaway yesterday for everybody who leave a comment. Watch that video. And also, more comments you leave, more money you get. I'm doing another giveaway for everybody who uses my code to get agent layer node, by the way. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch this video. I'm also trying to find different ways to make some passive income. That's about it. Full updates coming for the miner X16Q very, very soon. All right, thank you. Goodbye. God bless. Ciao.